This video is about taxonomy, and particularly we're looking at the taxonomical system that Carl Linnaeus came up with. This is the work of a great deal of scientists to look at all living creatures and all living things on Earth and classify them to see how they're related, and better then to understand where we came from on our evolution. Now, the original system of taxonomy that Linnaeus came up with was based on observations of phenotypes, essentially the way that plants, animals and other things appeared, and they were split down into these various levels of groupings. So looking at that first, we've got kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. The way I was taught this, the way I remember it, is with the mnemonic "kiss poor Claude" or "father gets sad." I don't know what that means really, but I've never forgotten it. So if that's a useful way of remembering it, then great. Now these last two, genus and species, are really what we use to name any given living thing. This is called the binomial system. So these are two names we give something. So my example here is a lion and a tiger. Their genus is the same. They're in the same family of cats, and beyond that, they're in the same subfamily, genus Panthera. So they're both Panthera, but the lion is Panthera leo and the tiger is Panthera tigris. So that's your binomial system, genus and species. Going all the way back to the top level of kingdom, it's worth remembering there are 5 kingdoms. Animals, obviously, that we know about, and plants are very obvious. Fungus, people often think are like plants, but they don't have chlorophyll. They're actually in many ways more like animals than plants. And then protista and prokaryota. So protista are the kind of like in-between things like algae and amoeba, and prokaryota are things like bacteria, viruses, single-celled species like that. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.